The definition of universal quantifier. The universal quantifier is a symbol in logic written as A, which means for all or for every. It states that a certain property or statement is true for all the elements in a given set or domain. The general form is AX, AS, PX. Example of mathematics. AXER x squared greater than or equal to AC. True, because squaring in a real number always gives a non-negative result. Example 2. Simple sentence. EXE students X studies math.